Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you can see today, we're gonna learn how to draw figures. Well, we're going to draw figures, okay? I don't know if I'm going to teach you something, but I just want to share with you, my figure drawing progress. And I'm going to show you how I practice my figure drawing. And today we're gonna focus on gesture, such as here and here as well. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be focusing on today. And yeah, hopefully by the end of this video, you're gonna be learning something new. All right, without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so I'm going to choose a few reference poses and then we're gonna get started. And for those who are asking, where do I get my references? Well, on Pinterest. All my reference poses, I download them from Pinterest. This is the first reference photo that we're gonna be drawing. And as you can see, it's a side view. Now, one thing, whenever you draw a figure, just make sure you kind of exaggerate a little bit more. Just push the gesture a little bit, and that way you can make your drawing look interesting. You don't necessarily have to follow exactly what you see on the reference. Now, obviously, I'm gonna be starting with the head, and for now, it's just gonna be a circle. So let me add perhaps the eyebrows, nose, and mouth. So that's it. And then we're gonna draw the hair. As you can see, I'm using the side of my pencil. This way it allows me to draw really loose lines, so that's why I like to use the side of my pencil. Okay, the neck from the back. The next thing that I look for is the shoulder, so I'm looking for this gesture for the arm. Now let's go ahead and draw the torso. I'm gonna add some volume for her chest, so I'm gonna add some volume for the breast. All right, and I'll draw the torso. Maybe I should push it a little bit inward. Okay, and the belly is here. Maybe I should make her thick, so let's make her thick. So this is the back, this is the belly, right? And now we're gonna draw the glutes and the pelvis. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw the gesture of the leg. This is gonna be the first leg. As you can see, it's straight, so we're gonna push this, gonna make it stiff, right? Okay, this is the length of her body. As you can see, I'm not taking any proportions, any measurements. I'm just drawing based on what I see, okay? And it's more about how I feel rather than what is correct. Okay, the leg now. I'm not gonna add the details, okay? I'm just gonna focus on the gesture, right? The leg. I'm gonna make the leg thick, yeah, and even. All right, let's come here. Let's draw the other leg like this, the other side. All right, I don't know if this is good, but it's okay. Okay, the fingers, maybe I can bring them in. Okay. And perhaps adjust the pose. I think this is enough. So whenever I draw the legs, I think about this shape here. This, right? Let's move to the next. These are just quick sketches. This one from behind. The same thing, we're gonna start off with the head. Let's just focus on the neck. The back is here, right? That's spine. The shoulders from side to side, it's like this. I'm not gonna take too many measurements. I'm not even gonna take some measurements. I'm gonna focus on the gesture. So I'm trying now to figure out where the armpit is gonna be here on the other side as well. but this side is going to be smaller than this one because this is a perspective. Okay, the arm like this. Now you can see the chest from behind, and then there's this curve like this. Let's try the other hand. We have this bump here because of the tension, right? Because of the tension here, there is this bump for the glute. Now obviously this center line is going to be something like this, right? And now we need to locate the pelvis. So if I had to draw a straight line, it's going to be something like this. Okay, and now time to add the glutes. This one line here and then the other one. So we have this shape. This one leg is here, and then the other leg is just this direction. Extend that and draw the actual leg. For now, let's focus on the gesture. So let's see what we can do with this. So this is the hand. The other one, the elbow is here. Right. I guess I had to lock in to focus really well, because sometimes when you talk, you lose focus. Drawing the outer shapes doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna get things right. It's one of the ways you can ruin your drawing. But sometimes if you struggle to get things right, maybe you should focus on the outer shapes, the silhouette. Maybe that's where the answers are, right? So it's not always a bad thing. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. And we'll draw the pants. Right, yeah. I could have done better, but I think I did not mess that up. So let's move to the next. All right, another one, front view. Now do not focus on details, right? Just try to draw the shape of the head, the nose, eyes, maybe this, the ear, and then the gesture of the neck. I can just draw 2 lines for the neck, right? Let me bring this in the middle. The next thing, of course, is the center line. You can see that she's looking this towards this direction. So I'm gonna maybe exaggerate that a little bit more. The shoulders, whenever I draw the shoulders, I also look for the corners of the torso, like here. And then these 2 lines, these are the collarbones. Okay, because this one is going up. Now the shoulder is here, which means that I have to bring the armpit lower here. So this is the end of the torso. This, so she's leaning towards this direction. Right now the chest, like this, and then we're gonna go down this direction. Now she's thick, which means that we have to make this place a little bit thicker, like this. Okay, we're gonna draw the pelvis, which I feel like is gonna be here, the end of the pelvis. And perhaps we're gonna stretchen this just a little bit, then we will connect that so we can see this angle here and here, right? I usually zoom in on the reference just to see exactly what I'm drawing, the curves, the subtlety in those curves. So from here, now you can just go ahead and draw this shape where the legs actually connect. All right, I should have actually pushed this a little bit higher, but it's okay. I like to make my figures too tall, way taller than they should be. All right, let's bring this leg here, and we have this shape for the outer edges of the leg. So the knee, perhaps here. The calves, right? I need to make the calves bigger. And then the leg, no, I don't know. I'm not gonna draw the legs. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Let's draw the other one. Okay. This is the chest. Now you can see the belly button here. And then, hold on. Yeah. And this here, right? Some fat around here. And we have her pant. Maybe I should make her torso a little bit bigger. Yeah, I think this is better. I think this is better. Let's draw the arms. The elbow here. The hand. I hate drawing hands that are flat like this. So maybe let me invent something. I don't know, but I'm gonna stick with this. All right, let's see now the elbow here. This one hand is manageable. Yeah, it is manageable. Okay, so this is what we've got. Let me draw this. All right, this is what we've got so far. As you can see, we have drawn a side view, front view, and a rear view angle. This one was pretty tough, but as you draw more, you start to get more confident and more comfortable, and you start to see some improvement because you learn from the previous mistakes. So the more you draw, the more likely you're going to improve, and that is the key to improve in anything. It's just by practicing again and again and again. There is no magic in this, all right? So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you've learned something. Now, every week I post a long video like this, just pure demo of me practicing, and you can watch these videos on my Patreon. It's part of the membership. Every week I post a long format video, 1 hour. So if you want to be part of the community, you can check the link in the description. It's just $5 a month. Or if you just want to support me, I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Now, there is another weekly event that I hold, and that is for free. It's on Discord. There is a weekly challenge we have, and I just post reference photo and we try to draw that. You can use any type of medium you want, whether it's digital, traditional. You can use colors, whatever type of medium you want, and you post it on my Discord, or you can also send me the picture on my Instagram. Then after the deadline, I compile all those drawings and post them on my story with minimum of 20,000 views. So it's something that I think it's really interesting. It keeps the community motivated, and yeah, I'm really happy that more and more people are joining this challenge. So yeah, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate. Yeah, one of the ways you can also support this channel is by watching my videos to the end. You can subscribe and give it as many likes as possible. So yeah, thank you so much. I'm really happy that I started this journey of figure drawing, and I hope in a couple months I'm going to improve so much that I'll be able to draw my own characters. But for now, I'm just learning. So yeah, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.